Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of electronics. But don't worry, you don't need a soldering iron to follow along. We're talking multimeters, the trusty sidekicks of every DIYer, electronics hobbyist, or anyone who's ever even thought about changing a light switch. Specifically, we're looking at two of the best budget options on the market right now. Perfect for anyone just starting out or even seasoned pros who want a reliable backup without breaking the bank. We'll be putting them through their paces, checking out their features, accuracy, and of course, that all-important price-to-performance ratio. So if you're ready to demystify the multimeter and find the perfect one for your next project, stick around. It's going to be a wild ride. All right, let's kick things off with the product one name. This little guy is all about simplicity and affordability, making it a really great option for beginners. If you're just starting out and don't want to break the bank, this is definitely a solid choice. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't some over-engineered, feature-packed behemoth. It's designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, which is exactly what you need when you're learning the ropes. It's got a straightforward design with a clear, easy-to-read LCD display. The screen is bright enough to see in various lighting conditions, which is a big plus. No, it's not a fancy color OLED, but honestly, who needs that on a multimeter? The LCD does the job perfectly well, and it keeps the cost down. You just want to see the numbers, and this one delivers. The digits are large and clear, making it easy to read your measurements at a glance. The layout is super intuitive. Even if you've never touched a multimeter before, everything is labeled clearly, so you won't be fumbling around trying to figure out what does what. You've got your big, chunky dial in the middle for selecting your measurement mode. It's satisfying to turn and clicks into place with a reassuring feel. AC voltage, DC voltage, current, resistance, continuity, all the essentials are there. You won't find any unnecessary features that complicate things. And speaking of essentials, they even throw in a set of test leads. These are crucial for getting started right away without needing to purchase additional accessories. Sure, they're not the highest quality, but hey, they get the job done, and it's one less thing you have to worry about buying separately. Now, let's talk accuracy. We put the product one name through a series of tests comparing its readings to a much higher-end, calibrated multimeter. We wanted to see how it stacks up against the big boys, and honestly, we were pleasantly surprised. The readings were consistently close to those of the more expensive model, which is impressive for something in this price range. For basic measurements around the house or on hobby projects, this thing is more than accurate enough. Whether you're checking batteries, troubleshooting circuits, or working on DIY projects, it performs admirably. Obviously, if you're doing some super precise scientific work, you'll want something more specialized. High-end models have their place, but for everyday use, this one is perfectly adequate. But for most of us, this level of accuracy is perfectly fine. It's reliable for the kind of tasks most people will be using it for. One of the things we really appreciate about the product one name is its durability. It's built to last, which is something you don't always find in budget models. It's got a solid, chunky feel to it, and it's clearly built to withstand a few accidental drops. You don't have to be overly cautious with it, which is great for a tool that's going to see regular use. Trust me, I've dropped my fair share of tools, so having something that can take a bit of abuse is a huge plus. It's reassuring to know that a minor mishap won't render it useless. Plus, it's got that bright yellow casing, so you're less likely to lose it in the depths of your toolkit. The color makes it easy to spot, even in a cluttered workspace. Overall, the product one name is a fantastic option for anyone just dipping their toes into the world of electronics. It's user-friendly, reliable, and won't break the bank. It's simple, affordable, and surprisingly accurate. You get a lot of value for your money, which is always a good thing. You're not going to find a ton of bells and whistles here, but for basic measurements and everyday tasks, it's hard to beat at this price point. It's a no-nonsense tool that does exactly what you need it to do without any unnecessary complications. So if you're in the market for a budget-friendly multimeter that doesn't compromise on quality, the product one name is definitely worth considering. It's a great addition to any toolkit, whether you're a beginner or just need a reliable backup. And don't forget, its portability means you can take it anywhere. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, this multimeter is versatile enough to handle a variety of environments. Plus, you can always get a protective case and some additional accessories to enhance its functionality. It's a versatile tool that can grow with your needs. In conclusion, the Product One name is a budget king for a reason. It offers simplicity, durability, and accuracy at a price that's hard to beat. Whether you're a hobbyist, a homeowner, or just someone who needs a reliable tool for occasional use, this multimeter has got you covered. So go ahead, give it a try. You might just find that it's the perfect fit for your needs. Happy measuring. All right, let's move on to the contender, the Product 2 name. This multimeter is designed for those who need a bit more from their tools, whether you're a professional or a serious hobbyist. Now, this one is a bit more advanced than the Product 1 name, offering a range of features that can make your work easier and more efficient. And it comes with a slightly higher price tag to match. But don't let that deter you. The value it brings is well worth the investment. For that extra bit of cash, you're getting a bunch of really cool features that can definitely come in handy. First off, the design. It's not just about looks, it's about functionality and ease of use. It's got a more modern, sleek look to it with a backlit LCD display that makes it super easy to read, even in low light. This is particularly useful if you find yourself working in less than ideal lighting conditions. And let's be honest, who hasn't found themselves working in a dimly lit corner at some point? Whether you're in a basement, attic, or just a poorly lit room, this feature can be a real lifesaver. Plus, the display is a bit larger than the one on the Product One name, which makes it even easier to see those readings. No more squinting or straining your eyes to get accurate measurements. One of the standout features of the Product 2 name is its auto-ranging functionality. This is a game changer for anyone who frequently switches between different types of measurements. What that means is you don't have to manually select the measurement range every time you use it. The multimeter automatically figures out the correct range for you, which can save you a lot of time and hassle. Especially if you're working on a project with a lot of different components, this feature can make your workflow much smoother and more efficient. No more fiddling with settings, just focus on your work. Another cool feature is the non-contact voltage detection. This is a really handy safety feature that lets you check for live wires without actually having to touch them. This is particularly useful in situations where you might be dealing with older wiring or uncertain electrical conditions. Safety should always be a priority, and this feature helps ensure that. You just hold the multimeter near the wire and it'll beep and light up if there's voltage present. It's a simple yet effective way to avoid any nasty shocks. It's a great way to avoid any nasty shocks, especially if you're working on older wiring. This feature alone can give you peace of mind, knowing that you're taking the necessary precautions. The Product 2 name is also incredibly compact, which makes it super portable. Whether you're moving around a lot or just need something that doesn't take up much space, this multimeter fits the bill. It easily fits in your hand and comes with a nice little carrying case, so you can toss it in your toolbox or even your pocket and take it with you wherever you go. Convenience is key, and this product delivers. In terms of accuracy, the Product 2 name is on par with the Product 1 name. We didn't notice any significant difference in our tests, so you can be confident that you're getting reliable readings. Whether you're measuring voltage, current, or resistance, this multimeter provides consistent and accurate results. It's a tool you can trust for all your electrical needs. Overall, the Product 2 name is a fantastic option for anyone who wants a bit more functionality and convenience. It's packed with features that make it versatile and user-friendly. The auto-ranging, non-contact voltage detection and compact design make it a really versatile tool that you can use for a wide range of projects. From simple home repairs to more complex electronic work, this multimeter has you covered. It's a bit more expensive than the Product 1 name, but the extra features definitely justify the price bump. When you consider the added convenience, safety, and efficiency, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their work. So if you're in the market for a new multimeter and are willing to spend a little extra for added features and convenience, the Product 2 name is definitely worth considering. It's a tool that can grow with you as your projects become more complex. With its advanced features, user-friendly design, and reliable performance, the Product 2 name stands out as a top choice in its category. It's designed to make your work easier, safer, and more efficient. In conclusion, the Product 2 name offers a great balance of advanced features and ease of use, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this multimeter is ready to meet your needs. Feature-packed and ready to go, the Product 2 name is a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their tools. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your work with this fantastic multimeter. Well, there you have it, folks. After an in-depth analysis and hands-on testing, we've reached a conclusion. We've taken a deep dive into the world of budget multimeters, exploring the strengths and weaknesses of both the Product 1 name and the Product 2 name. From build quality to accuracy, and from ease of use to additional features, we've covered it all. Both are solid contenders, each with its own unique set of features and benefits. The Product 1 name stands out for its simplicity and affordability, making it perfect for beginners and hobbyists. In conclusion, if you want a budget-friendly multimeter, the Product 1 name is a reliable choice. It's easy to use, accurate enough for most tasks, and won't break the bank. On the other hand, if you're looking for advanced features and are willing to invest more, the Product 2 name is a great option. It offers more precision, additional functionalities, and is ideal for more complex projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and DIY tutorials. Your engagement helps us grow and bring you more valuable content. Don't forget to check out our other videos and playlists for more reviews and DIY guides. We have a wide range of content that can help you with your tech and DIY projects. Your support helps us bring more content to you. Whether it's through likes, comments, or shares, every bit of support counts. Stay tuned for more exciting content.